In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free professional email address for your domain with GoDaddy cPanel hosting. First, I'll show you how to access your GoDaddy account. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the GoDaddy website. Once you're there, sign in using your existing account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. After logging in, you'll need to navigate to your account dashboard. Click on the My Products section, which is typically found in the top right corner of the page. From there, look for the list of your purchased products and locate the domain name for which you want to create an email address. Now, it's time to access the cPanel. Once you've found your domain name, you should see a button labeled Manage or something similar next to it. Clicking on this will take you to the cPanel page, which is where all the magic happens. For those who haven't used it before, the cPanel is an online Linux-based graphical interface used as a control panel to simplify website and server management. Inside cPanel, you will find a plethora of options. For our task, focus on the email section, and then click on Email Accounts. You'll be greeted with a page that offers various email options. Your goal here is to create a new account, so go ahead and click on the Create button. Now, it's time to set up your email. You'll need to enter two pieces of information, your username and your domain. Your username is what comes before the @ symbol in your email address, something like info, contact, or your name. Then, select your domain from the drop-down menu if it's not already showing. This will be the domain that you selected earlier. After that, it's important to create a strong password for your new email address. I recommend using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to make it as secure as possible. GoDaddy may provide a password strength meter to help you gauge how strong your password is, so be sure to keep an eye on that. Make sure you jot down your password somewhere safe if you think you might forget it. You've almost finished setting up your new email account. The last step in this process involves clicking the Create button at the bottom of the page. Once you've clicked that, give it a moment to process. After it's done, you should see a confirmation message letting you know that your email account was successfully created. You've now created your free professional email address. From here, you can start using your new email for professional communication. If you want to read and send emails, you might want to configure your email client or use a web-based application like GoDaddy's email browser. Go to the webmail section in the cPanel to manage your email. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.